one I got by myself, so it's not included in the machine package. Otherwise, all the content that I showing you is inside the bundle when you bring a Machine Plus. That button changes from the Machine MK3. Now it's called Ideas and Songs. I'm just searching to know how to import my own samples from the SD card to user. So I drag and drop my samples into the card inside the user folder that I create, and as you see, that's nothing. So I leave a question to the Native Instruments website to know how to import the samples, because I don't want to play only with the factory sounds. I want to work with my own samples. If someone knows how to import, you can leave a comment in the description. So I show you all the sounds. You can see here the instruments that are with the bundle. Okay, you got FM8. Let me see. Okay, you got FM8 contact with all that sounds. You can choose by type and types. Okay, you got machine, massive, monarch, prism, reactor, and Rhythm Machines MK2. And here you can see the effects. You got okay, FM8 effects, traditional effects from Machine. You've got the brand new phases from Native Instruments, the effects from Prism, and the very good reverb round. So that's it for the factory content that are delivered with the Machine Plus. If you got some questions that I can ask, just leave it and subscribe if you want. Thank you.